Here, we have 20 numbers that are in order from least to greatest, and we want to put them into the box plot. Each region gets the same amount of numbers regardless of how big it is. And since there are 4 regions, we will divide 20 by 4, which is 5. So we will put 5 numbers in every region. 4, 5. These first 2 regions are really small, but we have to bunch 5 numbers in them anyway. After that, there is more room to put numbers to the right of the median. Here's the 5th number there. And finally, there's a lot of room for the last 5 numbers. Since there is more room to the right of the median than to the left of the median, this box plot or data is not skewed left, but it is skewed right. We are already given the 5-number summary here. The minimum goes here in the box plot and the maximum here. Q1 or the lower quartile goes here, and Q3 or the upper quartile goes here. Finally, let's put in the median, which of course goes right here. Let's now find the interquartile range and build the fences to see if there is an outlier. The interquartile range is the distance from Q1 to Q3. To find that distance, we subtract Q1 from Q3, which is 18. Let's now build the fences to see if there is an outlier. We want to measure about half the length from Q1 to Q3. We then take the interquartile range and half the interquartile range and add it to Q3. It looks like 109 is an outlier, but let's calculate the upper fence value. To do that, we take the upper quartile, 76, and add 1.5 times the IQR, which is 18, which means the upper fence is 103. So let's put 103 here. We can see that on the other side of the fence is 109. So 109 is an outlier. Let's see if 55 is an outlier. It does not appear to be an outlier, but let's check it out. Let's take the IQR and put it to the left of Q1. It's so long it goes off the screen. We would then take half the IQR and put it to the left of that. But sadly, there's not enough room on the computer screen. It does not appear that 55 is on the other side of the fence, but let's calculate the lower fence value anyway. The lower fence value is Q1, 58, minus 1.5 times the IQR, which is 18. So our lower fence value is 31. And since 55 is within the fence, it is not an outlier, so we do not click 55. I have had a whole lot of fun doing this box plot with you. See if you can now do the next problem on your own.